Welcome to the digital super powerhouse that will transform your legacy forever. Are you ready to embark on a journey that could change your financial destiny? Let's dive in. Did you know that the e-learning industry surged to a staggering $950 million in 2019? Fast forward to 2024, and it's averaging a jaw-dropping $1.2 billion daily. But hold on tight, because projections indicate it could hit a mind-blowing $3 billion per day by 2027. Imagine tapping into a revenue stream that continues to grow passively, fueled by assets and products that never lose relevance. This is what we call legacy income, the key to sustained profitability and authority in the digital age. And guess what? It's all about dominating search engines like Google, driving consistent organic traffic that translates into real, long-term financial gain. Now, imagine joining the ranks of our Legacy Builders program. Just recently, we crushed records by generating over $10 million in under 89 days. Today, you will learn how to earn a consistent $900 daily income with 100% profit smack bang into your bank account. And here's the kicker. You only need a 2-hour workday to move the money needle and join the growing elite club of multiple six-figure earners. Don't wait for tomorrow. Take action now. Click below to gain access and meet Michelle O'Neill, our inspirational 7-figure mentor, who will guide you through her proven automated digital blueprint. Your legacy awaits. Join the revolution of digital legacy builders and secure your financial future today. Click below and transform your dreams into reality with our exclusive digital blueprint. Your legacy begins here. See you on the inside.